Namaste, and a very warm welcome to this tutorial. I am your Java programming teacher, and today we are going to unlock one of the most powerful and fascinating features of Spring Boot, auto configuration. Have you ever wondered how Spring Boot applications seem to magically set up so many things for you, like a web server or a database connection, without you writing much code? That, my friends, is the magic of auto configuration. It is Spring Boot's way of intelligently guessing and configuring your application based on the dependencies you have added. This saves a tremendous amount of time and reduces boilerplate code, allowing you to focus on your business logic. In this video, we will explore what auto configuration is, how it works behind the scenes, and how you can leverage or even customize it for your projects. Let us begin this exciting journey. So, how does this magic happen? At the heart of every Spring Boot application, you will find the @Spring Boot application annotation. This single annotation is a convenience annotation that combines three other annotations: @configuration, @enable auto configuration, and @component scan. The real hero for our topic today is @enable auto configuration. This annotation is the gateway that tells Spring Boot to start looking for auto configuration classes on the class path. Think of it like a smart assistant who looks at your project's ingredients, your dependencies like Spring Web or Spring Data JPA, and automatically adds the necessary configuration for those ingredients. It is like having a friend who knows exactly what you need and sets it up for you without you even asking. This mechanism uses a special file called spring.factories to discover these auto configuration classes. Now, let us delve a bit deeper into how auto configuration makes its intelligent decisions. Spring Boot does not just configure everything blindly. It uses a powerful concept called conditional configuration. This is implemented using various @conditional annotations. For example, @conditional on class means a configuration will only be applied if a specific class is present on your application's class path. Similarly, @conditional on missing bean ensures that a bean is configured only if you have not already defined one yourself. These conditions are typically found within the auto configuration classes themselves, which are listed in the spring.factories file. This intelligent conditional logic allows Spring Boot to be smart and flexible, providing default configurations, but also respecting your explicit choices. It is a very clever system indeed. While auto configuration is incredibly helpful, there might be situations where you need to take control and disable some of its default behaviors. For example, perhaps you want to configure a data source manually instead of letting Spring Boot do it. There are a couple of ways to achieve this. One common approach is to use the exclude attribute within the @Spring Boot application annotation. As you can see in this code snippet, we are telling Spring Boot to exclude data source auto configuration.class. Another flexible method is to use your application.properties or application.yaml file. By setting spring.autoconfigure.exclude and providing the fully qualified class name of the auto configuration you wish to disable, you can precisely control which configurations are applied. This gives you the power to override Spring Boot's defaults when necessary, maintaining flexibility. As powerful as auto configuration is, beginners sometimes make a few common mistakes. One frequent error is fighting auto-configuration. Trying to manually configure something that Spring Boot is already automatically setting up can lead to unexpected behavior or redundant code. Always remember to check if Spring Boot already provides a solution before writing extensive custom configuration. Another mistake is not understanding the conditional nature. If an auto-configuration is not applying, it might be because a required class is missing or a conflicting bean is already present. The best practice is to leverage auto-configuration whenever possible. When you need to customize, override specific beans rather than disabling entire auto-configurations. Read the Spring Boot documentation and debug logs to understand why a particular auto-configuration is or is not active. Embrace its power, do not fight it. Alright, my friends, we have covered a lot today about Spring Boot auto-configuration. Let us quickly recap the key takeaways. First, auto-configuration is Spring Boot's intelligent way of automatically configuring your application based on your project's dependencies, saving you a lot of boilerplate code. Second, @enable auto-configuration is the core annotation that triggers this process using Spring.factories to discover configuration classes. Third, conditional annotations like @conditionalOnClass and @conditionalOnMissingBean enable Spring Boot to make smart decisions. Fourth, you can customize or disable specific auto-configurations using the exclude attribute or application.properties when needed. Remember, understanding auto-configuration empowers you to build robust and efficient Spring Boot applications more quickly. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep learning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting Java programming content. Happy coding!